and welcome back to my channel Slow Cooking with Evie. My name is Evgeny, but you can call me Evie. In today's episode we're gonna cook slow cooked venison, and as side dish I decided to cook rice instead of some vegetables in a slow cooker. So I will cook rice separately. With venison you can actually cook any side dish. You can either cook potato in a slow cooker together with venison, it will save you some time, or you can do mashed potato. And for this simple recipe I will need half a kilo of venison, some beans, carrot, half of lemon, and a bit of salt, pepper and bay leaf. Last night I prepared my venison. I put a little bit of salt, pepper and oregano. But if you like any other spices, please feel free to add them to venison. Now I just need to cut my carrot and beans, and then I will be back to you. And while I'm doing it, please press like, subscribe and switch on notifications. I cut my vegetables and now I need to saute my beef. As you remember in a video where I cook lamb, I brown lamb in my slow cooker, and I'm gonna do the same with the venison. Now I need to add a bit of vegetable oil into the slow cooker and just warm up a little bit of slow cooker. So if your slow cooker doesn't have saute mode, it's not a problem. You can do the same on the pan, on the hob. It will do the same job. So my slow cooker is hot enough, and I'm gonna put venison now in the slow cooker, and I'm gonna brown it on each side for about 3 minutes. While my venison is browning in the slow cooker, I'm gonna also prepare a bit of garlic and half of onion. I'm not gonna cut onion, I will just put it as one piece because I don't want to eat onion when it's cooked. I just want flavor. The same with garlic, I just want onion and garlic for the flavor. That's why I don't really cut it, I just put it as one piece. I seared my venison and it's ready. It gave quite a lot of juice. Okay, so now let's add garlic, onion and beans as well as carrots. I will also add half of the lemon. I will squeeze juice, and also I will leave lemon inside as well. And then I need a little bit of water because I'm not gonna put much water because venison is already giving us some juice. And I will start. In 7 hours or 7.5, my venison should be ready, and I can cook rice as well, but it's gonna be in the evening. Meanwhile, if you didn't press like button, please press it now, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and switch on notifications so you will never miss my videos. See you in the evening. While I was busy today editing new videos, slow cooker was busy cooking dinner for us. I also cooked some rice, and now I just need to serve dinner. Show you. As you can see, it's quite a big portion. It's gonna be enough for me, but probably most of you don't eat as much as I do, so I would suggest that whatever amount we cook today is enough for 2 people. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and switch on notifications so you are not gonna miss my next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.